This is your very own credit pastor. And today, I'm telling you that if you call on in, that a change is going to take place in your life. Okay, patch her on through.
Hello.
How's it going, Miss Teresa?
Hey, Pastor, how you doing?
Yes.
I see you online and TV all
That's
the time.
amazing.
Yeah.
I'm glad to hear that.
Yes, I do.
So where are you calling from today?
I'm calling from the great city of Dayton, Ohio.
Yes.
Okay.
How's the weather there?
It's changing, Pastor. It's getting cold.
Okay, well, let's jump right to it.
Okay.
What's the reason of your call today?
I signed up in the program, Pastor, and I ain't getting no results.
All right.
And I just
So my program, the Credit
program,
Solution Group.
Yeah, I'm wasting my money. I ain't getting no
Okay.
results.
And
I just think it's just it's a shame. I mean,
and you ain't getting no results.
I ain't getting no results.
Now let me ask you this.
What?
How many things have been deleted since you've been with them?
I started with 8 things and 7 things been deleted. So, I mean, I'm getting things deleted, but I ain't getting no results.
7 out of 8 things was deleted.
That's
now
right.
let me ask you this.
What?
Who did you say that you joined?
Ted. And you could tell him what
Ted.
I said.
So did Ted build you a plan?
He did build me a plan, Pastor.
Did he tell you what to do while you in our program?
Yes, he did. He did. He built me a plan, and he told me don't get no late payments. He told me I won't need to add some stuff, but I ain't got money to be adding all that other stuff. I just want to get my credit fixed.
So let me ask you a question.
Yes.
Have you started to follow some of the things that he told you to do?
I ain't got time. I got a few late payments, and but still, I'm paying y'all for my credit score to go up. My credit score should be going way. I should be in the 700s
now
by
you
now.
said that you've getting no results.
I ain't getting no results, Pastor.
Okay. So you had 7 out of 8 things that was deleted.
I had 7 out of 8 things.
Then
yes,
Ted built you a plan. He said, number 1, miss no payment, no late payment.
Yes, he did.
But
Pastor.
yet again, you telling me that you got 3 new late payments ever since you joined up.
Yes, I did, Pastor.
Darling.
I had to do
Then he
some
told you he wanted you to go out and get you some trade lines to build you some credit.
Yes, he did. He told me what to do. I need a secure credit card and some stuff like that.
Now, why you didn't follow that plan?
Because I ain't my job. I paid y'all to do my credit.
Baby, hold. Baby, who raised you?
Excuse me? It's hold on, Pastor.
I'm just saying, baby. I'm trying to figure out who raised you.
Let me ask you a question. You don't want to see me, Pastor.
Oh, baby, this ain't what you want. Trust me. But let me ask you a question.
You better
If your gas tank was on E, you driving down the road.
My gas tank is on E.
And your gas tank is on E.
On E wood.
Now, what will happen if you don't put gas in your car?
I'm gonna put some gas in my car. What you mean?
Hello? You got to learn to follow instructions.
Hello?
I know what it is, darling. You hard-headed.
Tell me about my car.
And they say a hard head make a broke behind.
Oh, so you calling me
bow your head. We ask that you give her a new mind.
Yes.
A mind that can follow direction.
Hold on now, Pastor.
We ask that you hit her with a supernatural hammer in the top of the head.
Oh, hold on now.
To crack that hard head.
You want to hit me with a hammer?
So that she can be able to learn.
I need a lawyer.
To follow instructions.
I'm going to get a lawyer.
We ask that she
get
get that house or that car she wants.
You got me messed up, girl.
We ask that you do it in this season.
He going to hit me with a hammer.
Now, darling, how do you feel?
I'm infuriated right now, Pastor. I can't even believe you.
All right.
You're going to hit
me on
the top of the head with a hammer.
It's gonna
I didn't follow no directions. That's ridiculous. You don't know who you messing with, baby.